Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lecture 2 of the Negotiations Lecture Series. In the previous lecture, we talked about the three approaches to negotiation, namely the interest-based, rights-based, and the power-based approach. In this lecture, we will answer the question which among these three is the best approach. There are four criteria to determine the answer to this question. First, transaction cost. Second, satisfaction with outcome. Third, effect on the relationship. And fourth, recurrence. Transaction cost refers to the economic cost, which could be in the form of time, money, or other resources that will be consumed. Transaction cost could also mean opportunity cost, which is what one gives up to have their choice. And it could also mean emotional cost, which could be in a form of frustrating hours spent disputing. Satisfaction with outcome refers to whether the disputant believes that the resolution is fair, even if an agreement does not wholly fulfill her interest. It does not only refer to the perceived fairness of the resolution, but also on the perceived fairness of the procedure. This could mean how much opportunity a disputant had to express himself or how much he was able to participate in shaping the settlement. Another thing to consider in order to determine the best approach to negotiation is the effect on the relationship. For example, in the context of a marriage, quarrels with threats of divorce may seriously weaken a marriage, whereas marital counseling in which the disputing partners learn to focus on interest in order to resolve disputes may strengthen a marriage. And last but not the least, one should also consider recurrence, or the durability of the resolutions. A subtler form of recurrence takes place when a resolution is reached in a particular dispute, but fails to prevent the same from arising between one of the disputants and someone else. So those are the four criteria in determining the best approach to negotiation. On a final note, sometimes sitting down to discuss conflicting interest may have high transaction cost in terms of time and energy, but it may more than offset the benefits of a successful negotiation, an improved relationship. So that ends our lecture 2 for today. Thank you for listening.